Good morning everyone. So today we're going to be leaving here in Koh Samui. It's been 2 pretty cool days here. And we're going to be heading up to another island a little bit up north called Koh Phangan. It's only like a 45-minute ferry ride, I think. So yeah, we've just been packing up now and we're about to leave.
The struggle.
Yeah, the backpacker struggle. What's that like? That must be like 10 kilos overall, right?
Yeah, like both of us.
Yeah, me too. Got my shell as well. Anyway, we're off. So we're just about to head to the main road now. We're going to be getting some public transport to the ferry terminal. I think the ferry terminal is called Bangrak. And that public transport, I didn't know the name the other day, but I think it's called Songtao. I think that's how you pronounce it here. So yeah, we're heading there now and we should be able to get to the ferry terminal in about 30 minutes. Hello, how much the Bangrak here? 500? Yeah. No. So we got the Songtao. The guy tried to charge us 500 baht, 250 per person. That's like $16. But yeah, I said 200 and then he was like, no way. And then I said 300. He still wasn't accepting it, but I told him that the other day we already went this distance to Big Buddha. It's right next to it for 300. So then he was like, okay, get in. So that's around $10. So here it's weird. It seems like they inflate the prices a lot for foreigners. So even if you haggle, I think you're still spending more than you should be. In the Philippines, it was a lot easier to get like public transport at the local prices. Like we even got buses for like $2. That the bus was like 4 or 5 hour bus. Oh, we even got these things over there. They're called jeepneys, and we'd pay like $1 for the both of us for over an hour. So here is we're paying $10 for 30 minutes, and over there it was like $1 for over an hour. So yeah, it's just very different for tourists here. They're definitely a lot more expensive to transport. So we just got our tickets here to Koh Phangan. I think it was 300 baht each, $10 each. And we got lucky because the boat's leaving in like 10 minutes and we didn't even know the boat schedule. And the only boat after this would have been in 4 hours time. So yeah, really lucky with that. Koh Phangan, and it's our last Songtao of the day. This one was 150 for the both of us, so like $5. But we're only like 6 or 7 minutes away, so yeah, we're pretty close. But yeah, $5, $2.50 each. So we've arrived at our home for the next 3 nights. This is called Coco Garden. It was $19 a night. It doesn't have AC, we just got these 2 fans on either side. Carol is passed out here. It's very hot, right?
Yeah.
Very hot. Hopefully it gets cooler at night. I hope so anyway. Then here, the bathroom. Looks pretty nice for a cheap place. And then outside, got these other huts. Oh, he's got two different colored eyes, right?
Yeah, blue and what, green.
I think so. So we've got this pretty cool like balcony area here to chill out. Also comes with the hammock as well. You want to head to the beach, Carol? Yep. What about you, Mr. Cat? So this here is the beach right in front of our Airbnb. Nobody here at all. I'm not even sure what beach this is. I don't think it's a popular beach. It's pretty nice though. Pretty white sand. Water's very calm as well. So some people even get to stay in these ones here right on the beach. This one here, imagine that. Then over there in the background, that's Koh Samui, where we just came from, so you can see how close it is. Looks like over here we have a beach bar as well. You get drinks right on the beach. Got that guy getting a drink right now. So we're not going to be doing much today, just relaxing here. Usually on travel days we never do anything else. We just get to the place and then just have a bit of a look around. So yeah, it's going to be a lazy day here. Tomorrow we'll probably rent some scooters and explore the island. Like I said, we got 2 full days besides today, so got 2 days to explore the island properly. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Over here we have the new pose for tanning. How to get that all-round tan. Cara, you want to join in and do some yoga tanning?
No, I'm good.
No?
Yeah.
Looks good, man. Alright, going to take the Mavic on a flight. See how the island looks from above.
It's very small.
It is very small, right?
Yeah.
It only takes up like a quarter of my bag, right? And
yeah.
Even my bag's pretty small, so good drone to get for traveling anyway. Some pretty cool drone shots. I started stalking some of the kite surfers, just made sure I didn't get too close. And now we've come to the bar here. The restaurant's back there, but they said we could sit right here on the bar, right on the beach here. So here we got the menu. There's some pretty expensive dishes, but the local classic Thai dishes aren't so bad. It's like only $2–3, so pretty cheap. And I think I'm gonna go for this teriyaki tofu burger. 165 baht, which is around, I guess, $5. What are you thinking of getting, Carol? Cheeseburger. Western Carol.
Western.
Yeah. What, the classic cheeseburger? Yeah. Alright, same price pretty much. I think we chose a pretty cool place to chill out, right? Yeah. Lunch is served. We got the tofu burger, looks pretty good. And then you got Carol's cheeseburger. Let's try this thing out. Really good. Want the Carol taste test. Big juicy burger. 3, the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Dogs went nuts. How is it? Good?
Very tasty.
Nice.
Big patty.
Big patty.
Yeah.
Just how you like it. What's up, doggo? We're now heading to a sandbar here. I saw it in the drone shots, so we're gonna check that out. So it looks pretty cool. Cloudy at the moment, but yeah, I guess this would be pretty cool when the sun's out. And I saw a lot of those kite surfers taking off from here. You can actually see them all here now. I'll show you. Cool, right?
Yep.
Walk on water. I think it goes like, it's like shallow for ages. You can see the lighter part, right? I think we
yeah.
probably walk all that.
Yep.
Let's do it. So we'll steal our bag.
Yeah.
It's pretty beautiful here, right?
Yeah. I wasn't expecting to be like this.
Yeah, neither was I. Yeah. It looks pretty much empty. You can see it's just all green. Doesn't seem to be that many buildings here, right?
Yeah, I think that's the place where the food party is.
Yeah, right over there. That's
Yeah.
where the rave is. What is it? Once every month?
Every food? I think
Every full moon. Is that once every month? I have no idea. Astrology.
I don't know.
You're not an astrologer. So I'm gonna close the video out now at this nice spot. Carol, actually, it was you that found this resort, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, Carol's usually the one that finds all the places on Airbnb,
The
so
good places.
yeah, all those hidden gems and cool places that we stayed, it's all down to Carol. So yeah, it's been a cool day here. I'm really looking forward to exploring this place more over the next 2 days. Like I said, tomorrow the plan is that we get a scooter. Not even sure where we're going, but I know there's loads of beautiful beaches here, even a waterfall, things like that. So yeah, expect that in the following videos. As always, just drop a like to support me, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.